So this has a catwalk that goes from Margaritaville to across to this building, and then the pool area, restaurants, whatever. This is a fun place if you're going to the beach. Let's see what other places are open now. There used to be a Dairy Queen right over there. We went there for many years. There's a Dairy Queen. Top of the Mast was here. That was a fun place to go at night or during the day on the weekends. Yeah, here we are at the Margaritaville, the outside part. There we go, people at the pool. And then up here is the Lani Kai again. Now that one, let's look for that one. So this is 6200 Estero Boulevard. So this is, I believe, where the Outrigger Beach Resort was located. This is 6200. That one there is 6100. And I'm not sure what that is. This one across the street here says 6231. So not anything happening here. Last year we had some comments about this property here, about fond memories and good times that were had here from people who visited and people who worked here. So good to come back and see. It looks very peaceful right now. You see the beach over there, just beyond those palm trees. So good. More houses over there. Get a sandwich or something at Publix. Thought I knew. Here's the Publix. There's the sign right there. Publix. Publix. Right here. Oh, isn't that cute? There's the Publix.